I'm Chloe. So happy you are here with us today. Wherever you are, welcome.
Chloe, simple question. How are you today?
I'm fine.
Fine.
Okay. Not just fine. Honestly, I'm a little tired, a bit stressed, but also happy to be here recording with you.
That's so much better. Tired, stressed, happy. Three real things, not just fine.
Fine is the laziest answer.
It really is. And that's what we want to talk about today. Because in English and in life, we all say fine too much. And today we want to give you better words, real words for real feelings.
Because when you can say exactly how you feel in English, something changes. People understand you better, and you understand yourself better too.
Before we go further, one small favor. Please like this episode and subscribe to the Easy Bites podcast. It helps more people find us.
And write in the comments, I'm your name from your country, and today I feel, and add one reason. We read every single one.
So let's start at the beginning of the day. Morning. That first moment when your alarm goes off.
That moment is already full of feelings.
Some mornings I wake up and I feel calm, peaceful. My brain is quiet. The day feels open. Good morning.
And other mornings?
Other mornings, I wake up and I'm already grumpy. Grumpy means a little angry, a little annoyed, for no big reason. Just tired and not ready for the world yet.
Grumpy is a great word. Very honest. I was so grumpy this morning. My alarm went off and I thought, no, absolutely not.
And then you also said you feel stressed today. When did that start?
This morning, actually, I remembered I have a lot to do this week, and that feeling came. This heavy feeling, like everything is too much at the same time. I felt overwhelmed.
Overwhelmed. When there's too much at once and you don't know where to start. Like too many tabs open on your computer and it goes very slow.
Exactly that. And I just stood in the kitchen with my coffee thinking, where do I even begin?
I know that feeling. For me, it usually happens in the middle of the day. I start working, more things come in, more messages, more tasks, and suddenly I feel on edge.
On edge, that's when small things start to bother you. You're sensitive. A slow internet connection, a short message, anything can annoy you.
Yes, when I'm on edge, I know I need a break. Not tomorrow, now, even 10 minutes.
And what about good feelings? Because it's not all stress and grumpy mornings.
No, thank goodness. Some days I feel really proud. Proud is when you did something well and you feel good about it. Strong inside.
I felt proud last week. I had a difficult conversation in English with a client, and it went really well. Afterwards, I thought, I did that. That was me.
That feeling, that's proud.
It's a warm feeling. Not loud, just quiet and good.
And there are also those moments, not every day, but sometimes, when something really good happens and you feel on top of the world.
On top of the world. Very happy. Like everything is going your way.
I felt that when I got my new job. I called my mom and I just kept saying, I can't believe it. I can't believe it.
That's on top of the world. And evenings? Evening feelings are different.
Yes. In the evening, everything gets quieter outside, but inside, your thoughts get louder.
Some evenings I feel relaxed, calm, grateful. Grateful means you feel good about what you have. Small things, a warm flat, a good dinner, a message from a friend.
Grateful is a beautiful feeling. Easy to forget when the day is hard.
Very easy to forget. And other evenings, I feel lonely. Not because I'm alone. Sometimes I'm with people and I still feel lonely. Like nobody really sees how I feel inside.
Lonely is one of those feelings people don't say out loud much, but a lot of people feel it.
A lot. And sometimes in the evening, I just feel low. Not sad about something specific, just low, heavy, like a gray sky.
Low is a good simple word for that. Not dramatic, just today I feel a bit low.
And that's okay too. You don't need a reason to feel low sometimes, it just happens.
The important thing is you can say it in English to someone or just to yourself.
I think that's the real point of today.
What do you mean?
When you only say fine, you close the door. Nobody knows how you really are. But when you say, I'm a bit overwhelmed today, or I feel really proud right now, or I'm low this evening, you open a door.
And people can walk through. They can say, oh, me too, or what happened, or just, I hear you.
That's connection, and that's what language is for.
So from today, try to replace fine with something real, even one real word. Tired, proud, grumpy, grateful, low, on top of the world.
1.
Okay, word tour. The feelings from today, one more time.
Grumpy, a little angry and annoyed, usually in the morning or when you're tired. I was so grumpy when my alarm went off.
Overwhelmed, when everything is too much at the same time and you don't know where to start. I felt overwhelmed looking at my to-do list.
On edge. When small things bother you, you feel sensitive and irritated. I've been on edge all day. I need a break.
Proud, when you did something well and you feel strong and good about it. I felt really proud after speaking English in the meeting.
On top of the world. Very happy everything is going well. I was on top of the world when I got the good news.
Grateful, feeling good about what you have. Thankful for small things. In the evening, I felt grateful. Warm flat, good food, quiet night.
Low. When your mood is heavy and sad, not for one big reason, just low. I felt a bit low this evening. No reason, just low.
7 words, all from today. Choose one, write your own sentence in the comments. Our question for today: how do you actually feel right now? Not fine, something real.
Tired? Proud? Grateful? Grumpy? Write it in the comments. Add one reason if you can.
Today I feel because that's the formula. Simple and honest.
If this episode helped you, please share it with a friend who also says fine too much.
This was the Easy Bites podcast. I'm Max.
And I'm Chloe. Stop saying fine, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Your progress doesn't end here. Click the next video or explore the other episodes we have for you.